Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off airplane mode on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select network and internet. On the right side, you want to go down where it says airplane mode. Stop all wireless communication. Toggle it to the on position if you want to turn it on. Otherwise, you can just toggle it off to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.